Hey everyone! Today, in this video, we are going to create this Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any Filmora tutorial. First, launch the Filmora Mobile app and start a new project by importing your clips. Next, go to the music section and select Gunshot Rhythm from the beats. Then, choose the Beat option, which will generate beat markers on your audio track. After that, return to the clips and adjust their durations to match the beat markers. Repeat this process for the remaining clips. Once you have finished, go to the Effects section, search for Pulse Shake 3, and apply it to your timeline. Then adjust the duration of the pulse shake effect to align with the length of each clip. Start by going to the Effects section and searching for the Up-Down Shake effect. Select this effect and apply it to your timeline. Next, split the Up-Down Shake effect at the beginning and adjust the placement of the split so that it aligns with the intersection point of the two clips. Split it again and delete the remaining portion. Then, duplicate the effect and place it at the intersection points of the second and third clips. Continue this process for the rest of the clips. First, select the Picture-in-Picture option from the menu. Next, go to Other, select the black solid color and add it to the timeline. Increase the scale of the solid color to cover the entire screen and set its duration to 1 second. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the solid color layer, then go to the opacity settings and reduce it to 0%. Move to the end of the solid color layer and increase the opacity to 100%. Next, duplicate this layer and place the duplicate at the end of each clip. Position the playhead at the beginning of the clip and add a keyframe. Then, move the playhead to the end of the clip and slightly increase the scale. Repeat this process for the remaining clips. Then export your clip. And here is your final video. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to my channel for more awesome Filmora mobile tutorials. See you in the next video.